Hi everyone, good day. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to upload and edit your own images with Midjourney AI. Okay, first things first, connect your Midjourney to your Discord app. Then, I'm going to upload an old image that I want to add more life to. Click plus to upload a file and click the image that you want to transform. And then, click open. When you hit enter, it's going to upload it to the Discord server. Right-click the image and copy the link. If you want to transform an image that's already up on the internet, just go to your web browser and right-click the image and select Copy Image Address. Or press Share and Copy. Once done, go to your Midjourney server and type in /imagine. Paste the image link that you copied and add the prompt that you want to add. Once done, just go ahead and hit the enter button. Then the AI will do everything just for you. But please take note that due to high demand, Midjourney can only be accessed through a paid subscription. So for you to get the result, just subscribe to Midjourney and it will then give you the result that you are looking for. However, if you don't have any budget for the meantime, another thing you can do is to proceed with other website alternatives. So, other website that we can use is Photosonic. So here in Photosonic, you will just paste also the image address and just have to type in whatever prompt that comes into your mind and you may now proceed. After that, just generate it and here's the result. However, please do manage your expectations because it is only a free AI website. If you want great accuracy and high quality results, we encourage you to save up and subscribe to paid AI like Midjourney. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you. And that's it. You can now upload and edit your own images with Midjourney AI. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling!